Welcome to another segment of Lousje and Bean. It's Sunday. Welcome, lovelies. Well, I am looking forward to having another little chit chat with you. And again, it's a this and that and the other. First of all, some housekeeping. Last week we had a fantastic week. We unboxed Krisa, fall winter line from Krisa's. And we received some new Siska. I've heard this from a lot of you lovelies that summer is great, but by the time the end of August rolls around, we're all ready for some fall, snuggly stuff and a different scene, right? A different scenery. So, well, you will see a lot of different scenery in the next coming days because we're unboxing and styling and very, very exciting. Okay, lovely. Well, let's talk about this amazing outfit. The skirt. Oh my, oh my. If you want to feel feminine, this is the one. It's so beautiful. It's so gorgeously luxurious. I don't even know how many layers it has. It's got this organza top. It's like a huge circle. And then, oh my goodness, 3 layers. Another one, and oh yeah, this is wonderful. They are such clever people. So this is like a silky, almost like an underskirt, but then they've got the chiffon with the frayed hem at the bottom, and then these 2 layers over top, and a really nice waistband, about this wide, but not too tight. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I love the length too. It's not on the floor, it's not short, it's in the middle. Amazing. Imagine in the winter time. I can't wait to style this up a few times. You will see this skirt a lot probably styled with a jacket, a little Krisa's jacket, bulky sweater. Love, love, love that look. Turtleneck, little jacket, you name it. And of course this, let's talk about this top. Well, you have to agree, this is my color. It's silver. This top is silk, the linen and silk fabric that Krisa's is known for. I have a few pieces in this type of fabric, in a jacket, in the pants, and in a top. And this is their boat neck. As you could see in the picture, the hemline is really, it's diagonal and then very interesting here. They made it extra unique at the hem, and then the neckline also is beautiful. Love, love this little hanky square. So lovelies, the skirt is the tiered organza skirt. I'm wearing an extra small. The top is called the boat neck linen silk top. I'm wearing an extra small. The scarf is called the square in the neutral tone and it's made out of silk. One of our top sellers amongst the jewelry lines is this cuff. I can understand why. It makes a statement. It's gorgeous, artsy elegance. Earrings also from Pursuit. Beautiful loops, like easy to put in, light, hardly feel that you have them on. And this really funky ring from Cleo. Okay, now that was a mouthful and a long dialogue, but it needed to be said because it is gorgeous. Everything is wonderful. So I am excited to talk to you about this product. We are not certain if I talked about it before. If I did, that's okay. I'm going to talk about it again because I'm seeing results. So I'm excited. To re-intro why I'm talking about this is that I'm giving my nails a little break after, oh, I can't imagine how long, years and years of shellac polish on my nails, which I was always happy to do. And I was always, when I looked at my nails, I always felt finished and, you know, well looked after my nails. And yeah, I never had a hard time with it. But when they took the shellac off, I always felt my nails and they were like literally like tissue paper. And I was often worried if I had any nails left after it ever came off for quite a long time, right? And then I think I've been talking about this before because I felt like I was losing some hair. And of course you do when you get older. I remember my mother had a beautiful head of curly hair. And as the years grew and she got into her 70s, 80s, I can't believe I'm there. I'm in my 70s. So strange to think that way, but it's true. Anyway, I feel the same thing is happening to my hair. So my hairstylist gave me this tip and she said, buy this Nature's Bounty extra strength hair, skin and nails There's 2 times the biotin, that's what you apparently need, in these 6,000 milligram of servings of these gummies. They're flavored strawberry and they're chewy and they're actually nice. So you take 2 a day. And of course, the thing is, like with everything, you have to do it every day. And it's no problem for me. It's standing next to my toothbrush, and every day I have 2 gummies. And I've been doing it now for half a year. She told me after 3 months you will see results. Well, lo and behold, I can't show it to you, but it's feathery, like baby hair is growing. Like here I have these bald spots here and baby hair is growing in. I'm thrilled. I'm so excited. Little baby hairs here, little baby hairs here. So who knows? And by the time I'm 90, I have a full head of hair again. But I decided to take my shellac nails off and give my nails a break for a few months and then start again in the wintertime. And I thought for sure they would be brittle and yucky, but they are very strong, very strong. And I am blaming it on these gummies. And I am thrilled. And I thought we need to, as women, we need to share our grievances and our fortunes, right? Well, this is one of my fortunes. I'm excited about it. So Lovelies, yeah, you can get them anywhere. You can get them at Shoppers, Walmart, anywhere. You can get them online, of course, too. Here's the picture of the label, so you won't forget. So that is my excitement about nail hair. And yeah, I have no complaints about my skin. I mean, it says hair, skin, and nails. So who knows what I might look like if I didn't take the gummies, right? Skin-wise. So I talked a few couch talks ago about the book I was reading. It was The Headmaster's Wager, and I've stopped reading it because it was too violent. And I can't stand too violent. I've never been good with it, but I feel now that I get older, I don't feel like it anymore. I don't want to wake up and have images in my head and that I can't fall asleep again. So it plays in the Viet Cong, that book, and the whole clashes with the villagers and the Chinese and South and North. No, I had to stop it. So I'm reading another book. Here's a picture of the cover. I read it. It was the Chloe Mail recommended book. The Saturday Chloe Mail has whole book lists usually of the recommended books, and usually I look at it and then I kind of research a few that look of interest. This book is called This Is Where the Serpent Lives. It plays in India and I am interested in it. It's beautiful. It started beautiful. Of course, I had lots of books about India. I'm very interested in the caste system that they have. I find it very complicated, but I'm trying to understand it. And of course, it comes back in this book. And I can't wait to finish it and tell you all about what I learned. Another little tidbit is that I talked to you about the Mitford sisters, the book that I read. It was a memoir about their lives. And the 6 sisters, they were born in the late 20s, early 30s. And lo and behold, I didn't know, but one of my girlfriends told me, in BritBox, there is a series about their lives. And Clara and I started watching it. It's 1 season and it was about 8 episodes. We were spellbound. It's very, very entertaining and very, you go, how is this possible? 6 women from one family and each one of them is completely different and completely kind of crazy, I have to say, and weird and off the wall. Very interesting. So I would highly recommend it if you have BritBox. And hopefully there's another season coming. When I Googled the whole series, there were some stories pertaining to the 2nd season coming because it leaves off right in the middle of their lives. They're just either married, one is just left for be Hitler's friend, be friends with Hitler, and as a young girl, it's so crazy. If you had to make it up in a novel, you couldn't even imagine it. Well, Lovelies, that was a lot to talk about and exciting, and I hope you enjoyed it. And let me know about your books, about what you're watching on BritBox, and how you like BritBox, by the way. And of course, I'm going to give you a heads up about tomorrow. Sacken and Plovers in the house. We're going to show you. And then the next day, we're going to do some styling. Always Always beautiful stuff. Little different pieces this time, so please watch us tomorrow. And thank you for watching. As always, keep on smiling and enjoy your Sunday.